Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps in iPhone or in iPad. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and when you want to download apps from App Store on your iPhone and facing the issue that can't download apps on your iPhone from App Store. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys, after doing this you have to go back. And guys, second thing is that you need to check that if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And after doing this, you need to check your network settings. Maybe there is network error. So guys, simply you have to reset your network settings from here. And after doing this, you have to go back, and guys, you have to select your region according to your country. And guys, after this the thing is you have to check your date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys, now you have to go back, and guys, from here you have to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you have to go back. After doing this, you have to click on screen time, scroll it down. From here you have to click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys, you have to turn it off. And guys, you have to go back. From here you have to sign out your Apple ID for a few seconds and sign in again. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back, and guys, open your App Store. From here you have to click on your main profile icon. Make sure that you have signed in your Apple ID on your App Store. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser, and guys, here you need to search support.apple.com. And guys, after searching this, you have to select iPhone. And guys, now you have to scroll it down. From here you have to click on get support. So guys, after this you need to wait for some seconds. Scroll it down, click on more, and from here you have to select App Store. As you can see, here is the option of App Store. You have to click on App Store. And guys, from here you have to click on continue, and now you have to click on call us. And guys, you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.